Hello guys, this is Michael Emefeke and you're welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be dealing with the problem with Student Portal Navigation Guide episode 2. Okay, so we're going to be taking you through my profile, and under my profile there's message center, my information, privacy settings, and username and emails. We are going to be taking you through all that, and that's exactly what you're going to be learning. So please sit back, relax, and follow us through as we take you through this walkthrough. And if you find value for the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on YouTube as well, Michael Emefeke TV, and like our make sure you comment any areas that you want us to touch that is giving you serious pains. Let us know. We're going to treat them, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. We will not talk too much more. Dive in and sit back, relax, and let's go there. Thanks.
Okay guys, make we move. For this episode 2, we are beginning with my profile. Okay, so make we enter the first item there, which is message center. Don't forget, we are touching message center. You will learn about message center, my information, privacy settings, username and emails. At the end of this training, you go understand what they use all these ones for. So look where they go on. Let's start with message center. Don't forget, this is episode 2 of navigating your student portal to know how to use them so that when you enter it will be easy for you. So let's go ahead. Message center. Clicking it now. So let's wait for it to load. Now it don't load. Within message center gets. Now I said important alerts and odes as shown below. Follow instructions carefully. In other words, your alerts and your odes. You see this thing where they give you an insight whether you get any alerts or you get any ode. If you get, you will see one or one. If not two, depending on the situation where they get, then they could show you for this place. So when they show you immediately, you can just come to profile message center. You come here to see the full information about the alerts and odes so that you will go solve them. Maybe you try to solve them, all those things will come out for here. But now the information is that for ode, you don't get any current ode, and for alerts, you also do not have any current alerts. Our duty here not be to view previous alerts. So because we not get anything here, we are done. But you know now what thing they use here for to come and check for your odes and alerts. And if there's odes or alerts, you do what? You go and solve the problem. Just 6 small little tasks they will give you. As you complete them, it will solve. So now the next thing for us to do, we are done with the message center. The next thing we will do is to go to my information. Let's click on it and wait for it to load. So within my information, they talk about this now, where you go put your legal name, your birth date, marital status, and social security number. We are not Americans or all those countries where we say they use social security number. For those countries where they use social security numbers, they'll put it there. America, UK, and Europe, all those places, you put it there. But for those people in Africa, those countries where they use that, provide only those relevant details. Okay, so they want to see that for your personal information, you provide your first name. You check if the details are complete. If they're not complete, you go complete them. So you check student status, all that. Always hit off fee before you go see them here, your preferred name, your country, your address. If there's something that is not complete, like look at this city now. The city is supposed to be just Aja. There's no A. Yeah. So because this one is not correct, you now come to you check if everything is okay. If it's and something is not okay, like here that we are saying Ajaha instead of Aja. So you now come to edit. You come here and click on your edit so that you can go in to edit that information. So you can now go in. Let's see what you can edit. What you can. So if it's something you can, like this one's now, you cannot correct any of this information here. So these are the ones that you can correct. Okay, so this one is important, your country is important, your city. So you see, you cannot come here and remove that A. I think there was an error somewhere, so you remove it. So if there's something that is not, like your state currently is not applicable, they've gotten your state here. So currently here, they said it's not applicable. You have your zip code there, you have your phone number, and they are done now. So you can just Okay, let's see. So because you are done, you click on save. So that's what you do. So whenever something is not correct, you correct it. Okay, you go in to correct it by clicking on edit. And then you can also check if there's SMS. We don't want SMS to be sent to us, but if you want SMS to be sent to you, you edit it, provide the phone number that you want, and you do that. But I don't advise that because it always draws additional cost. And for this school, they try to limit your cost as much as possible to make it very small, tiny. Probably even if you don't get this X money where you could spend safely. That's what's one of the goals of this school. And then if there's any additional information you want to add, probably you want them to be sending you WhatsApp. You come here, edit as just like what we would do for the first place. You click on edit and then you add your WhatsApp number. If you have a Facebook Messenger, you add the link here so that they will now know and then send you information to those places. That's just basically what you do here. So I think we are done with my information. Let's go to privacy settings. You go over to privacy settings. Let's see what in privacy settings they talk about. Okay, so let's ensure where you come any place, you read the information. If it is relevant to you, fine. If it's not relevant to you, you go over to the next item. So here is just to ensure that there are some certain rights that you have, and then you need to review the privacy settings. Choose the information where you like to open, make it public getter. The one where you want make it day private, make it day private. The one where you want make public day. I just those ones they want you to do here. So I don't think this information is really relevant for us for now. But if you click on the drop-down menu, see if there's any information there, please select opt-in, consent, FEPA document. This FEPA document probably is related to the US, people in US alone, I don't know. But because this thing it's not really connecting to what we are doing here, but at least you know what's in there for privacy settings. You do it there. If you want to opt in on anything, fine. But this is not the information where you're under privacy settings. Let's see the one for user name and emails, and let's see if it's relevant to us. If you make you not forget, I think in one of my videos I talked about you opening 2 email addresses. It is very important because one of the addresses is for official purpose, while one are for privacy purpose. Now see, account username, this is your official one. For your byu-pathway student, this is your official email address. Sometimes it's also used as a username, you understand? So look what you need to use them for. Use this byu.edu email to log into this student portal. You can use it to log into your portal and other software provided by the school, things like Microsoft software, Adobe and all that, Vidmore. This is not the email where you go use to open those softwares. Okay, then your other email, check this inbox for daily or inbox daily for important notifications from Canvas, instructors, and certain byu-pathway departments. So the two emails are different. So you don't give the one for your school. This one now is your personal email. Please check your personal email daily for communications from byu-pathway. So you need those 2 information. You need those 2 email addresses so that you will use them for effective communication. You know the one way you will use for software. You know the one way you will use to access your student portal. You know the one way you will use for, communications with BYU, and then you know the one way you will use for communications with byu-pathway. Daily emails that comes from them. They send you student, all the student information. So this one, check this email daily for important notification from Canvas, instructor. So they are different. The 2 emails are different. So understand what they are, study them on your own, understand what they be, and then use them. Like I did tell them, I say open 2 emails, one a personal email, one a the school email. So no waiting school will send. There are some certain information where school no go send to use your personal email. That's the truth. All those things like your grade and some other very vital information where you see it will only remain for your .edu email. Okay, while the other ones maybe see they go all those student information where will tell you, all those the open school on the 5th of, those ones are your normal personal email. So know the difference and please adhere to them. I know that we don't finish this episode 2. We don't do my profile. We talked about message center, my information, privacy settings, and then username and emails. I don't tell you see your username and emails or your 2 emails. It's very important for you to have them. Okay, you know the one way school would use the same information to you. There are those important, sophisticated information, and those ones which school will send to your personal email. You know the difference, and then know why it's important. The third one, we'll go into finance, and then we'll talk about that one for our next episode, which is episode 3. I believe strongly that you don't get value for this, you don't understand what many things mean, and make it use them effectively for your own purpose. Don't forget, now you be the best advocate for yourself for this school. So ensure that you read information, you get things well, get all the videos where you want, know everywhere so that you're not going to fear. Anytime when you see anything will not make sense, ask, make a lot of consultations, and then try to make sure you solve them as soon as possible. I will leave you for now, and I pray, I hope that you subscribe, you find value with it, and then you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment, and then you turn on the notification bell, and then you follow us for the community. Make things sweet for our belly, make it sweet for you as well. See you in the next video. Until then, catch you later.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a comment. Now go apply what you learned. Action is everything. Subscribe for more student success tips, and I will catch you in the next one.